Kennedy Center continues. Later this morning, a D.C. court will hold a hearing to review arguments made surrounding the upcoming 2-year closure of the arts complex.
The Trump administration claims the center needs to be shut down so repairs can be made, but one board member is really pushing back against that narrative. Our Lionel Donovan is live for us in front of the courthouse where today's hearing will be held. Good morning, Lionel.
Good morning, Simone and Wisdom. Well, the Trump administration says $257 million worth of repairs are needed at the Kennedy Center, and that money is going to be coming from last year's spending bill. However, Ohio Representative Joyce Betty says her issue isn't with the call for these renovations. It's for the decision-making process. Now, the Ohio representative is currently leading the charge against the Trump administration on this issue. She's calling for the courts to not only halt the center's closure, but also remove Trump's name from the building. The court battle began last month when Betty filed an injunction calling for the court to file a restraining order against President Donald Trump himself, who's currently the head of the Kennedy Center's board. She claimed that without that restraining order, she couldn't attend a March meeting to voice her dissent to the board about the proposed renovations. The Trump administration responded with a lawsuit of their own, which says that the board is well within its rights to act, and all changes were made well within the law. Trump has argued that these renovations are necessary to fix structural damage, including concrete, steel, and water issues, in addition to replacing carpets, seating, and upgrading bathrooms. Betty, however, says while she understands the center needs repairs, there hasn't been a review of Trump's planned renovations.
We determined that the fastest way to bring the Trump Kennedy Center to the highest level of success, beauty, and grandeur is to cease the entertainment operations for a 2-year period of time as we complete high-quality, really high-quality construction.
I was very clear in advising them that while I'm not against renovations if they need to be done, I am totally against the process it being.
Now, this hearing that will be taking place later today, this won't be the only time that the Kennedy Center board members will be in court this week. There's another hearing that's scheduled for tomorrow involving the board and the D.C. Preservation League. The league is calling on the courts to halt the Kennedy Center's closure until the board gets approval for its renovations. Back to you.
Legal back and forth still to come. Lionel Donovan reporting for us this morning. Thank you.